My name is Michael Cook, and welcome to my channel. I'm just joking. It's a Prius. What's up, everybody? Michael Cook here. Thank you for joining me. First episode on the new channel, and this channel is going to be based around drift cars and having fun. So this is my current E36. It is a lot of fun to drive. SLR angle kit in the front. We have BC racing coilovers on the corners. I'm gonna start this thing up, get some videos of it, because I will be selling this motor and transmission. All right, so the car runs and drives really well until we get the temperature up to run operating temperature, and then it starts misfiring really bad. I'm not sure what it is because I just did a cam positioning sensor and new coil packs. The transmission, everything works great. Only time it doesn't work that well is in drift, trying to go from third to second. Normal driving, it goes perfectly fine. Full throttle, this kind of has some missing. So, I mean, the car does run. Definitely has some issues, but it'd be great for somebody wanting to build it for a turbo car. So it is for sale. To get this in the garage or in the shed or shop or lean-to, whatever you want to call this thing, and start getting it set up. I just moved in. It's kind of janky ass wiring for lights right now. So I am going to take care of this mess, kind of clean up a little bit, and then I will go over what we're going to do and how we're going to start pulling the motor. So, see you over there. Lighting is still a little janky, but I can see, that's all that matters. All right, so we are going to tear into this. Not sure where to start. All right, so where do we start? We need to get the front off. I would like to be able to take the core support off. All the videos online, it looked like they're welded, but this one looks bolted. So that will make that easy. So headlights, front grille, bumper, and then go from there. Another day, we are heading down to the store to get an oil pan so we can drain all the coolant and all the fluids out of the E36. We're in the Prius, and the chick left me with no gas. Zero. You see that? None. Luckily, we average 51 miles a gallon, so it should be good. So, off to the store. So, Dutch Bros, if you're watching, I need a sponsorship for next season. Product works. I love your product, so if you want to just, let me have it free every day, just let me know. Put your name on the side of my car. Oh, and we're getting pulled over. I'm just joking, we're not getting pulled over. All right, let's go get an oil pan. Zone did it to us again. We went in there for an oil pan. Did we get an oil pan? No, we got more. Look at that. So it was $8 just for the oil pan, or it was $10 and you got a funnel, shop towels, some gloves, and Fast Orange for 10 bucks. So we had to go with that deal. And now we are off to back home. Alright guys, so today's plan of attack: get the car out of the shed, drain all the coolant / water, because that's all that's in it, and get the engine, all the wiring disconnected, and get everything we can get disconnected so we can pull it next time. Alright guys, so the girlfriend just helped me get the hood off, a little bit easier to see now. And so, I've never done this before, but we're going to attempt to get all the wires that we can see unhooked from the car so we can pull the engine. Looks like we need to do an AC line. Has to be some more connectors. I just undid the oh that's the power. That's the AC right there. Right there. Got power steering that needs to be unhooked. Whatever that is. Throttle cable. All right, let's get it. Alright guys, so I got most of the wiring done. Still not quite sure how to disconnect the fuse box from the wiring harness. And then also power steering still hooked up, and then anything underneath. I don't want to jack up the front today. So I think I am going to move to the interior. I want to get the carpets out. And the pillars that needs to come out, and then just eliminate whatever I can inside to get ready for paint and roll cage. Alright, so I've been working on the interior now for I don't know, a couple hours, I have no idea. Anyways, so I got all the carpet out. I have a little bit of rust down here. Hopefully it's not all the way through, otherwise we'll have to patch it. So we need to go buy a bunch of dry ice and get to work on getting all the sound deadening out. I think between that and pulling the motor will be the next two steps. There's some more stuff I need to pull out, like the seatbelt, all the seatbelt stuff. But yeah, it is getting there. Alright everybody, thank you for watching our first episode. On the next one, we will be working on more interior, getting the motor out, getting the transmission out, and getting this ready for a new motor. Can anybody guess what we're getting? Anybody? 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 So, new motor, full roll cage. Should be ready for Pro-Am, so it's probably going to take months and months and months. Good thing it is the end of summer and we have all winter to finish this up. If there's anything that you want to see done to this car, anything that I'm missing, put it in the comments below. Like, subscribe. Thank you again. See you next time. Peace.